Okay, so customer complained about popping noise on Vaillant after boiler being serviced. So I contacted the manufacturer and they said that at the point of contact, I already put the copper grease in here, but before I put it, you could see like a marks which were indicating point of contact of the door, chamber door with a combustion chamber. So that's where the grease should be put, like in here. So you can see exactly just where I put it. Also, I put it on the back of the nuts, and yeah, well, you can see grease already here, but because I put the nuts before, and I just took them off for video purpose. So yeah, and that should be tightened to 6 newtonometers.